Welcome to Learn a Lot. In this video, we are going to install Moodle, a web-based open source learning management system using Cpanel and softaculous. We can install Moodle in Windows, Linux, Synology DSM, and in Cpanel. In this video, we will do it by using Cpanel and softaculous. Log into Cpanel and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Click on Educational and click on Moodle. Click Install button. Type site name in site settings and type description of this site. Type admin user ID and password. Type admin first name, last name and email address. Click on Install button to install Moodle. Now Moodle installed successfully. Now we will log into the admin panel of your newly installed Moodle site. Open your browser and type your website/admin. Type admin user ID and password that we have given in the installation time of Moodle. This is the dashboard. This is the menu. Here we can see recently accessed courses and course overview. This is timeline, private files. Here we can see all the users currently available online. Here we can see upcoming events. We can customize this page by clicking on the Customize this page button. Now click on Site Administration. This is the admin panel and here we can do all the administrative activities. Creating users, creating course, assigning teachers to the course, adding plugins, changing the appearance of the Moodle site, and we can see the reports too. There will be an alert to register our Moodle site. We can register our Moodle site by clicking on the Register Your Site button, or we can go to the Site Administration menu and clicking on Registration link. We can register our site by filling all these fields. I log out and view as a normal user. This is the home page. This is empty now. Once we add courses to our Moodle site, we'll get them in this page. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.